What risks arise when sensitive credit data, such as social security numbers, birth dates, and income details, move through spreadsheets, portals, and WhatsApp chat threads? Errors increase, decisions slow down, and sensitive customer information is handled outside the customer relationship management system, creating security and compliance risk. Those are the challenges Air Rey Services faced, until they brought in an AI-powered digital assistant to automate the end-to-end process. Before automation, analysts at Air Rey Services were submitting requests to more than 15 finance portals, transcribing from handwritten forms, and sharing client details in WhatsApp chat groups, slowing down decisions and increasing data privacy risk. Here's how the new automated workflow runs. First, credit score check. The digital assistant collects client information, runs Experian and TransUnion checks, updates the CRM with results, and flags the best fit finance portals. Next, credit request. After a portal is selected, the digital assistant prepares and submits the full application, then returns approval status, terms, and interest rate into the CRM. No manual re-entry. The result? Analysts focus on strategy, matching clients with the right financing options, instead of wasting time copying and pasting data. The impact of this automation process showed up within weeks. Air Rey can now handle 40+ transactions per day, with faster turnaround, eliminate transcription errors, and keep all sensitive customer information secured inside the customer relationship management system. Credit processing is now 87.5% faster, cut from about 40 minutes to roughly 5 minutes per request. And the ROI? 8,172 labor hours saved annually, which equate to a workload of 3 full-time employees. And the payback period of the investment was only 3 weeks after the implementation, validation, and go-live assurance phases. Faster approvals, cleaner records, and secured customer information, delivered through a digital assistant that works inside Air Rey's existing environment, with no changes to their core systems or daily workflow. Want to see what this could look like for your organization? Visit Valenta.io and book your free discovery consultation call today. Thank you.